The subtle power of tone, slang and colloquialisms. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of slang and colloquialisms, but with a twist. We'll explore how tone and connotation play vital roles in understanding and using slang correctly. Are you ready? Let's go! When we talk about tone, we refer to the emotional quality or mood of the words we choose. In the realm of slang and colloquialisms, tone can be a make or break. Why? Because slang is often used to express strong emotions or nuanced feelings. The way you say something using slang can greatly affect its meaning. For instance, the phrase, "You're the bomb," might mean you're fantastic. But without the right tone, it might be misinterpreted as something negative. Always remember, the way you say it matters just as much as what you say. Every word carries a denotation, its dictionary definition. But words, especially slang, also carry connotations, the feelings or ideas they suggest. For example, cool, in slang denotes something trendy or fashionable. But its connotations might include the idea of being relaxed, detached, or even aloof. Here's another example. Lit. The word lit used to just mean something was illuminated. But in modern slang, if a party was lit, it means it was fun and lively. So, the connotation here is one of excitement and energy. When you're not sure about the tone or connotation, look for context clues. Who is speaking? Who are they speaking to? Where are they? What happened before and after the slang was used? All these factors can give you hints. Imagine someone saying, "That's sick," after witnessing a skateboard trick. In this context, sick probably means amazing or impressive, not ill or unwell. Slang often comes from specific cultural or societal groups. As such, it's essential to approach slang with sensitivity. Some words might have positive connotations in one culture and negative in another. Always be mindful of this. Understanding slang is not just about learning the words but also respecting their origins and nuances. And there you have it. Tone and connotation might seem like advanced topics, but they're crucial for mastering slang and colloquialisms. Remember to pay attention to context, be sensitive to cultural origins, and practice, practice, practice. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring the ever-evolving beauty of language.